Well, howdy RetroFam. This is my favorite cube, the Nintendo GameCube. You know, I really love cubes. When I talk in the phone or think, I always draw cubes on a paper. I don't know why. I've done that since forever, I guess. You need this bit to open the cube. You can also use the pencil trick that I used a couple of years ago. You just take the pencil inside the big pen, for example, and you heat it up with lighter. Press the top against the screw, let it cool down, and you have yourself a GameCube opener. You know, I would really like if you could take a minute or two and subscribe to the channel. It would really help me out. I'm trying to reach 1,000. We are at 300 now, and we have a bit of a travel to do. Now the GameCube is full of hidden ports underneath. I guess they had big plans for expansion. I don't know how many expansion units were made for it. But anyway, at least 3 ports here. Even the NES had an expansion port underneath. I don't know if they used it though. So this GameCube doesn't work. Maybe I should have told you this. It just produced a black screen. I think it has been tampered with before. Someone has actually most probably been inside this one, maybe doing a repair or some nasty hacking. We will find out soon. The cube is very modular and the hardware is excellent, because I think almost all Nintendo hardware are really solid and really splendid. They're built to last, and they are easy to service. As you can see, I can just take the front up here, and you can see the battery there that's holding the time and the date. And of course that's the ports for the controllers. On top is the laser and the actual DVD player. Now the GameCube didn't use regular DVD discs. It was a 1.5 gigabyte disc, just 8 centimeters. So it's called mini DVD. And you can still buy them at eBay. Fairly cheap. If you want to have one, I mean. Okay, so here's the top of the motherboard. Underneath the cooler here is the CPU and the GPU. The graphic chip and the CPU. I'm not gonna take that off. Nice hardware porn for you. Look at the layout there. It's beautiful. Compact. And you can see the CPU and the GPU. How it's placed. And underneath this plate here we will find the power supply. Also very neat, very nice. Beautiful little supply from Nintendo. And this is the DVD unit, and look what I found. What the heck is this? It's a mod chip, and I'm gonna remove it, or if I can, keep it. I think this is the problem. Someone tried to mod it